Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable the Gutenberg editor without any plugin. So let's get started. Open the dashboard of the website. Here you can see that Gutenberg editor is by default activated. To disable this, select the theme file editor option under the appearance from the sidebar. Now select the functions.php file of your activated theme. Paste the following code at the end of this file and save the file. You can get this code from the description of this video. Now add the new page. Here you can see the Gutenberg editor is disabled. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icons to get the latest videos. Thank you.